Hey, what is up, Darman fam? Today hello everyone, it's Shane here. Today we're gonna be making a video on, well, it's not that hard to guess. I want to finish this series. Yeah. So, most of my videos are probably gonna just be Slime Rancher, you know? Slime Rancher. Slime Rancher. Oh yeah, I was playing a little bit, or not a little bit. What I mean is, you know how I said in the last video, I would, oh crap. You know how I said I would like try to blow up the guy? Well, I did. I did blow him up, and now we're here. I already put all the quantum slimes back. Darman fam, I don't really need this. I also mixed up my quantum slimes with the crystal slimes. You know, so why not? Yeah. So, anyway, Darman fam, I'm sorry, I don't know. I'm cringy, okay? Chill. Okay, now, we ain't going back. No, I think we're going forward instead of back. You know what I mean. Shut up, you know what I mean. You know what I mean. Don't you? Can I stand on this, please? Oh. You know what I mean, don't you? Oh, that these are right. Now, might be a little early, but I don't know. What if it's not? What if it's not too early to go to the sand place? No, I need to go get some quantum plorts. I think so. I'm pretty sure, yes. I need to do. So, I don't think it's too early to go to the sand place, is it? Cause I don't think so. Oh, dude. Wait. Oh. This is exactly what I need. Dancing. So, you guys ready to go to the sand place? I think I'm probably gonna need more, but I'm trying to be intense right now. Shut up. I need 3. I need a lot. 4. I need 4. I bet. I don't like how it's just staying still. The gun, like, it's not moving at all. It's like I'm not running. Alright, so, we gotta get 4 quantum plorts to actually go to the end. So, have any of you guys eaten anything yet? That looks so sick. Don't! Why does that look so cool? Oh my god. Please, I just noticed puddle slimes. Don't matter. Actually, you can get out of here. Eat the chicken, please. Eat the chicken. That's why I shot it. Oh, eat it. Thank you. Now I need that quantum plort. Get on my way. You too. Eat it. Eat the freaking chicken, won't you? I hear the tar music. Alright, we're good. Would it be bad if I just... Alright, so here we go. You guys ready? You guys ready to go to the end? Well, not really the end. It's just like end-ish. End-ish, because I don't think there's more stuff. How many guys have I gotten? I haven't really even got, like, I got half. These guys are all from the, this world. So I think all the rest are from this world, maybe. Who knows? We're gonna hear that. Ah! Oh, crap. Oh my, oh, this is sick. Oh. You guys ready? Oh my God. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, here they are. Dervish slime. What up, boys? I got a dervish slime. Oh, what the heck? Excuse me, sir, what do you eat? Oh, he eats meat. I couldn't see why their name is Gordo. Okay, sorry, it's not funny. I'm sorry. Oh, what the heck? Is this the dervish slime? Where's our tornado? Wait. Why is there a tornado? I'm so confused. Alright, well, chickens galore. It's so empty. It's too empty. I don't like it. This is a new slime. Crap. Ooh, another dervish slime. Where'd he go? What the heck? Oh, he's over here. No. Come here. Stupid dervish slime. I need rock plorts. What the heck? Painted head. How'd you get paint on you? How'd you not die? What the heck? He's stuck. Oh, there was slime. I need you rock slime to eat veg. Oh, heartbeats. Rock slime's favorite. The heartbeat. Thank you. Here, you want another heartbeat? Stop attacking me. I'm giving you what you love the most in life, and that's food. Okay, yeah, here. Eat it. You know, it'd be funny if the chickens could eat plorts. Oh, there's another key thingy. Oh, there's one right here. Didn't even see it. What's happening? What the? Right. Can you? I don't think I need you guys right now. Sorry, Boom Slimes. I want to know what's going on. There's intense music. What the heck? Ah! Oh my god, what the? Ah. What the heck? Oh, there was slime. What's happening? I'm so confused. I haven't even did this thingy. What are the fire slime? This is how you get the fire slimes. Come here. I'm kind of curious to see what happens if I walk in the fire. It goes up before I can get to it. Let me burn. I want to burn. Oh my god, I got the fire slime. Look how cool they look. Their diet is ash. Okay, nice. Oh, it's ready. No, I gotta find the other ones. Please? Alright, never mind. And what I have to do is I have to put all the plants in the rock slime's mouths, and then that will let me get that water. Is that it? Please tell me that's it. I don't see any more. Yep. Yes, it is. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Here's one, here's one, here's one. Oh, come on. Come on. Ancient. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Please, let me get to the last one. Where are they? Oh my god. Oh, there's slimes. This is nice. Now there's actually life. What is that? These are beautiful? Oh, no. Never mind. Get out of my way. Okay, let's see. I kind of want to blow up that guy because he's like very fat and he looks like he has some stuff. Yeah, I bet this guy's favorite is painted hen just because they're the ones that come from here. So I'm gonna go grab that painted hen that I threw at the cactus. Was he still stuck? He's still stuck. Hello, he's still stuck. Any more? Oh wait, I could put some over here. I don't know how I'm gonna get it over here, but I could somehow. Don't even try. Please, I think that's probably their favorites. Yes, I knew it. Because they come from this place. I don't know, I'm just smart. I love these guys, they're so cool. No, come back, come back, come back. I don't want you to die. I want you to stay with me. Ow. That hurt. Oh, he's trying to run. So confused by those rock slimes. There better not be a tar. I'm gonna get so mad. Eat it. I was like, wait, do they not eat these? I was getting so confused. Why can't any chickens spawn here? I have an idea. What the? What was that? I said fire. I want a tar. Become a tar. Just like that. Oh my god, this. Yo, more painted hens. I swear I saw another one. Yep. Hen. Oh, wait. Oh. Trying to hide. I'm like slowly feeding him. And then don't even try to hide. And it's funny because it actually seems like they're trying to hide. What the heck? Painted chickadoo. Painted chickadoo. Painted chickadoo. These guys are so sick. Like all these guys are so sick. Give me Roostro, Roostro, Roostro. Any more Roostros? No more Roostros. Roostros, Roostros. Roostros. The music just changes. When I'm in here, the music just changes. Oh yeah, I forgot I made one in here. That's so sick! Look how beautiful that looks! Holy crap, that actually looks beautiful! Water. I need that water. I have an idea. I want these everywhere, so come here. Why is there tar? I'm gonna have to put it out with ancient water. Okay, I guess there's no tar. Let me run, please. Run like the wind. Run like the wind, Rancher. Run like you need to. I wonder if I shot any. Nope. Ooh, wait, more fire, guys. More fire, guys. Boom. Oh, it actually does damage you. But before it was like disappearing. Before I can, trying to attack myself. I don't know why I was trying to attack myself. There's one. Here. I saw another one. Ah, that does so much damage. Another one. Get out of here. Oh god. I'm getting so many. Ow. Damn it. I love this place so much, but like, I gotta go do something over here. I'm gonna go back, all the way back to my ranch. No, all the way back. Holy crap, this looks so nice. Before I was like, kind of nice. Now look at it. This just looks beautiful. So proud. Okay. Let's stop being weird. Now let's see. Where can I go? I think this is the way back. So we got Dervish Slime. We got this guy. We got this guy. Out of all of them, Fire Slime's my favorite. These guys are super cool. They have like diamond texture. I really like quantum slimes. They're like annoying. I might get rid of my quantum slimes. I might, just because I don't like quantum slimes. Oh my god, I'm back. Any of you guys escaped? No? Okay. I don't even want you guys in here. Get out. Get out. Because I don't want you guys. I want something else here. An incinerator. Where the heck are the walls? Incinerator. How are you supposed to shoot them in here? No, they're bouncing out. How am I supposed to? Am I supposed to shoot them against the? How am I supposed? That's how I'm supposed to do it. Alright, anyway, I'm gonna end the video here just because I don't know. I want to. Like, subscribe to the channel. I'll see y'all next time. Peace.